All right, all right, well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Todd from Cross IT, and we decided that by this point, everybody's learned enough, so let's have some fun. So we're gonna play Who Wants to Be a FileMaker Developer? But before we dive into that, we figured should we at least tell you a little bit about ourselves, and to do that, we have Bobby.
All right, thanks everyone. So we are Cross IT. We are a consulting company. Not only do we do FileMaker custom development though, but we also do network infrastructure and other managed IT services. We are based out of Greenville, Pennsylvania. Just a show of hands, does anyone know where Greenville, Pennsylvania is? Well, Thomas, we know you do. So Greenville, Pennsylvania is a small town in western PA. It's about an hour north of Pittsburgh, about halfway between Pittsburgh and Erie, about halfway between Pittsburgh and Cleveland. Yeah, that's where Greenville is. Just so you know, in case you want to Google it or look it up. Our clientele includes small businesses, universities, educational institutions. We do a lot with industry and manufacturing, and local government is always one of our big clients as well. Today though, we're here not only to feature our custom development, but our Barracuda line of products. They're a vendor that we work very closely with. They provide a wide range of networks, equipment, and other devices. They provide a very nice backup solution that we've utilized at a lot of clients. They also have a new product that features artificial intelligence for your mail protection. It can help filter out different phishing scams and new threats that might come through email. And then we also have the Barracuda Essentials, which is protection for your Office 365 plan. Most of our customers use Office 365. It's a very good email service, and Barracuda products help protect that for you.
Okay.
And I think that is it, and we're going to start. All right.
All right. So we had Ken, if you're ready to volunteer first. We weren't able to get a microphone for you guys to hear Ken's answer, so I'll have to translate if that's all right, Ken. So there are steps over here. So. All right. So the way this is going to work, we have 5 questions per round. You have 2 lifelines to use. You can't phone a friend, but you can find a friendly face in the audience to consult if you get stuck on an answer. And we do have the 50-50 where we'll take away 2 wrong answers and put leaving 1 right answer, 1 wrong answer up on the board. So, you ready to play?
Can I buy a vowel?
Sorry, you cannot buy a vowel. Well, for a $5 maybe, but all right. So go ahead, let's reveal the first question here.
Can I look?
You may look, yes. So we've got, which FileMaker function allows the developer to set element in the JSON object? Is it A, WriteValues, B, substitute, D, JSONSetElement, or D, getLastError?
C?
Oh, you're saying C, JSONSetElement. Is that your final answer, Ken?
Yes.
All right, and the answer is, it is C.
I should put one ahead.
Yeah, you don't need to.
Okay.
All right, so moving on to the second question. All right, so we're moving from FileMaker into pop culture, because from my perspective, you need to know the answer to these questions as well to be a proper FileMaker developer. So we have, which Peter is a member of the Guardians of the Galaxy? Is it Peter Quill, Peter Parker, Peter Venkman, or Peter Pettigrew?
I've not seen any of those movies.
Oh, no, okay.
So, let's go with the 50.
You're going to go with the 50-50.
Right now, yeah, 50-50 right now.
All righty.
I don't know. I have a little bit of a hint.
All right, so we've taken away 2 wrong answers, so we're left with A, Peter Quill, or C, Peter Venkman as...
And if I remember right, I'm thinking I've heard the name somewhere, but Peter Quill sounds familiar for some reason.
Okay, so
I'm
you're
going to go with A.
A, is that final answer?
Final answer.
All right, and the answer is, it is Peter Quill. Nicely done. All right, moving right on to...
Better to be lucky than good.
All right, question 3 is, which web browser is not supported in FileMaker Web Direct? Is it A, Safari, B, Chrome, C, Microsoft Edge, or D, Firefox?
Oh, gosh.
And you do still have 1 lifeline left if you want to use it.
Can I have any questions, too?
There are a total of 5, so you got,
So 1 lifeline left.
yeah.
So, I'm going to go with D, Firefox.
You're going to go with D, Firefox, and the answer is, it is D, Firefox. Well done. All right, so Fourth question. Okay. In the live action version of Beauty and the Beast, which Jedi Knight actor portrayed Lumière? Was it A, Ewan McGregor, B, Liam Neeson, C, Alec Guinness, or D, Samuel L. Jackson? You're gonna go see Alec Guinness. Okay, you do still have a lifeline.
I know, but I'm one of those guys. I hate spending everything I'm hurry, but I should.
I'm thinking you may want to try.
Okay.
Use a lifeline.
I use a lifeline. On it. Who looks friendly out here that knows this or seen it? Over there? Are you my friend? My friend says one.
You say A, Ewan McGregor. All right, and the answer is, it is A, Ewan McGregor.
One more to go.
One more to go. All right. So this,
gosh.
so we're getting tough now.
This is gonna kill me.
All righty. So this is, what is the result of the following calculation? 9 and 6 minus 3 times paren 1 plus 1 and paren.
These are the ones that kill you, like on the certification test.
Yes. Yes. And we'll give you a few seconds to work it out. We're not going to look for immediate
You guys
answers.
can give me some maybe hints or something. I work it out too, because we'll take it on. See, I know that and is the logical or the inclusion on step 2 on it, as opposed to the mathematical.
Right. Correct.
So if I took it at this, I'm going to say 1 plus 1 is 2.
Okay.
2 times 3 is 6.
Okay.
6 minus 6 is 0. So you end up with a 90, 9-0.
All right. C, final answer.
That's my final answer.
And the answer is, it is C. All right.
5 for 5.
You are 5 for 5.
Because you are 5 for 5, you win a Mickey Mouse hat with little Mickey Mouse ears on it. All right.
Oh,
And
awesome.
just for being a good sport, we have a gift bag for you full of swag.
Okay.
Thank you for participating.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
on it.
absolutely.
All right. Nice job, Ken. All right, now, I think,
Yes. Do you want to get the next slide?
all righty.
All right, so we didn't forget about you guys out here. Next, we're going to do some audience participation. So
All right.
we're going to do, it's a 1-round question. If you know the answer, we would ask you to stand up. The first person to stand up will get the first chance, and then so on until we get the right answer. We do have gifts, too, that we're offering for this. So let's see. Let's go. All right, so again, once you read the question, first one to stand up. All right.
What, you say A, is that your final answer? Oh, whoop. Oops. Hang on.
So we are testing not only your reading skills, but also
Yes.
FileMaker knowledge. You are correct.
Yes. The answer is A.
All right. Get a cross water bottle, and we'll also give you a couple bottle openers.
All right.
There you go. Yep.
So, who wants to go next? Thomas, you said you would volunteer. Do you want to? You don't have to, because Tim's behind you, and he said he'd come up and be a contestant too. So I don't know. If you guys want to duke it out or and see who gets to go next? Or if you want to stay there, that's fine. Okay. All right. I'll move out of the way so I'm not blocking anything. We are ready? All right, so in layout mode, which menu item allows the developer to insert merge variable onto the layout? Is it A, file print, B, edit export field content, C, insert merge variable, or D, layout, duplicate layout? Okay. You're gonna go C, final answer? And the answer is, it is C. All righty. Number 2, what is the name of Han Solo's ship? Is it A, Millennium Falcon, B, Slave 1, C, Tantive 4, or D, USS Enterprise? You're gonna go with A, Millennium Falcon. Nicely done. All righty. Okay, so under the File Sharing Share with FileMaker Clients menu item, which of these file sharing options is not available for hosted files? Is it A, all users, B, specify users by privilege set, C, admins only, or D, no users? Okay, when you're under file sharing and you're like sharing the file locally and it gives you there's three options for who can see the file that's being hosted. Which one of these is not one of those three options? Is that your final? Is that your final? Do you want to use a lifeline on this one? Yeah. You might. Okay. All right. Okay. Would you like to ask a friend, or do you want us to take away, do the 50-50? Okay. So you want to do the 50-50? All right. Take away two wrong answers. So is it all users or admins only that is not an option when sharing a file? Admins only. Is that your final answer? All right, Bobby. It is admins only. All righty. So question number 4. The Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World opened to the public on which date? Is it October 1st, 1971, April 22nd, 1998, May 1st, 1989, or October 1st, 1982? All right, is that your final answer? And the answer is, it is October 1st. All right, final question. It says, which of the following objects cannot be included in the tab order? Is it A, web viewer, B, summary field, C, button, D, tab control? And you do still have a lifeline left. So if you're going to use a lifeline, so find somebody that looks friendly. You can get a consult. You know, with web viewer, is that your final answer? Well, because I just wanted to find out if that was your final answer. That is your final answer? Are you sure it's your final answer? You got it. That's okay. Well, we decided you're going to get a hat anyway, so. We have a lovely parting gifts, so. Yeah.
All right, here we go, Thomas. All right, so we are ready for another round of audience participation. Again, I'm not going to read out the question. We are testing your reading skills and your intuition and knowledge. All right, is everyone ready? All right, show it, Todd. Yes, sir.
Oh, I did it again. I only wrote it, so it's like.
You are correct.
You are correct. All righty. So there you go. You ready to be in the hot seat, Tim? Okay. Are you going to stay in that hot seat, or do you want to come up here? That's up to you.
We'll get an actual seat ready.
Oh, wait, actually, here.
An actual hot seat.
An actual hot seat. We'll put it there so you can see the questions.
Todd, we could angle it so he views on there.
Oh,
Is
okay.
that easier? Or? Well, we'll see.
Okay. As I forgot, I guess you can also look there if you want to. So.
All right.
All
Bum,
right.
bum, bum.
Bum, bum, bum. Yes. All right, so which FileMaker function returns the text that the user has entered in the QuickFind box? Is it A, get QuickFindText, B, floor, C, pattern count, or D, JSON list keys? You're going to go with A, get QuickFindText. Is that your final answer? All righty. Okay. So this rock and roll themed roller coaster opened at Disney's Hollywood Studios on July 29th, 1999, and invited guests to ride this way. Is it A, Expedition Everest, B, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, C, Slinky Dog Dash, or D, Rock and Roller Coaster Starring Aerosmith? You're thinking D. Is that your final answer? That is the answer. All right. And now a value list can be attached to which field control style? Is it A, drop-down calendar, B, pop-up menu, C, repeating field, or D, concealed edit box? You go with B, pop-up menu. Is that your final answer? That's your final answer? All right, he says B, final answer, and the answer is? It is B. All right. So Han Solo's spaceship, the Millennium Falcon, is a modified version of which spaceship? Is it a CR-90 Correllian Corvette? Is it B, a YT-1300 light freighter, C, an Incom T-65 X-Wing, or a D, Firespray 31 class Interceptor? Okay, so you want to ask a friend or do you want to do the 50-50? So did you say B, final answer?
I think that's what I heard, Todd. I think I heard B, final answer.
You're going to go B, final answer, and the answer is? It is a YT-1300. Okay. All right, last question here is, which of the following actions is not possible on a shadow table, which is an external table from an ODBC source? Is it A, add unstored calculation fields, B, add summary fields, C, add text fields, or D, create relationships between fields in the FileMaker tables and the ODBC tables?
Where'd you get the certification exam question?
Well, it's the last one. We had to make it hard, you know. Yeah. Add summary fields. Is that your final answer? You do have one lifeline left, remember. Because we can take away one wrong answer, or two wrong answers, and you're going to go with B? He's going to go with B. Are you sure you want to go with B? All right.
Give him a lifeline first and see.
Yes, bless you. Okay, so C, final answer, and the
You
answer
are correct.
is add text fields.
Congratulations. You get a pair of Mickey Mouse ears. No problem, thank you.
All right.
All right, so we're back to audience participation. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed a theme to our questions. Not only do we have FileMaker questions in there, but in order to be a proper FileMaker developer, you have to have some nerd trivia to back you up. All right, so without further ado, we're going to do the audience participation question. Again, please stand up once you know the answer. I think we're ready, Todd.
Ready? Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is
I think
not correct.
Oh, which is good because you already won. Oh, nope, nope. Do we want to eliminate two options?
I can't remember. You know, actually, I didn't put in 50-50 for the
Okay.
audience. So we've eliminated B. Does anybody else just want to take a guess?
Yes, sir. C.
C. That is also not correct. So you're down to A or D, folks.
Yes, sir. Fox and the Hound.
That is also incorrect.
So I think I heard D in the audience. You are correct, sir.
Yep. Yes. That is the evil stepmother, just in case you needed to know. There you go. All right, so I think we have we have time for one more contestant, and I've gone through all the contestants that have signed up. So, yes, we had a preview at the office. So if we could have somebody that wants to. All righty. So you can either stand, or if you want to sit in the hot seat, you can. That's up to you. You're going to sit in the hot seat. All right.
All right. Are we ready?
I think we're ready.
Beautiful.
All right. So first question is: while in find mode, which menu item allows the user to further constrain the found set? Is it A, window, new window; B, file import records; C, insert picture; or D, requests constrain found set? So D, is that your final answer? All right, and the answer is, it is D. All righty. Yes. All right, question 2. In the movie Frozen, which song does Elsa sing as she builds the castle? Is it A, Friend Like Me; B, Let It Go; C, Be Our Guest; or D, Hakuna Matata? You're going to go with B, Let It Go. Is that your final answer? All right, and the answer is Let It Go. Alrighty. Which of the following statements is not true about layout guides? So this is not true. Is it A, you can create as many guides as you need; B, you can make the guides appear on other layouts to help you place objects consistently on all layouts; C, you can lock a guide to prevent it from being moved accidentally; or D, you can create only 5 guides on a layout? You're going to go with D. Final answer? Final answer. All right. And it is D. All righty. Okay, question 4. Lando Calrissian's mining operation on Cloud City produces which end product? Is it A, Cordaxian ore; B, Bacta fluid; C, Kyber crystal; or D, Tabana gas? And you do have both of your lifelines available. You're going to use a lifeline.
Which one would you like to use?
Which one? You can take away 2 wrong answers, or you can check with somebody in the audience that looks friendly. Take away 2 wrong answers.
Whoops.
All right.
What? Wrong button. Sorry, everyone.
Okay. So you're down to, because you said A, so we've taken away that one. So you've got B or D. D final answer, and the answer is, it is D. All righty. So here's our final question. How many levels of subfolders are supported within the default database folder of FileMaker Server? Is it A, only 1 level down; B, 2 levels down; C, any number of levels; or D, none of the above? Going to go with A. Is that your final answer? Final answer, and it is A.
Congratulations, and you've won a brand new Mickey Mouse hat. And also a bag of free stuff just for being a good sport. So thank you for coming up.
Yes.
Yeah. There you go.
Yep, thank you. All righty.
All right. And I do believe we have one more Mickey Mouse hat left. So we'll do one more round of audience participation. Again, 1 question. Please stand up when you have the answer. All right, Todd, let's see it.
Oops.
Ooh, it's a difficult one. See if we have any Star Wars fans in the audience. Thomas.
That is incorrect.
I think that's one of them. Yes, sir. Petty theft.
That is also incorrect.
Yes. So we've had B and C are both incorrect. A.
That is also incorrect.
D. Impersonating a stormtrooper. All right, well, thank you everyone for coming out and being good sports and playing with us. Please stop by our booth if you have a chance and enjoy the rest of your DevCon.